Using pressure conversion units, 1 atmosphere is equal to all the following. Pressure is one of the units in chemistry that there are a lot of different units involved. But because all of these are equal to 1 atmosphere, they're actually all equal to each other. So if you were told that you needed to convert 30 inches of mercury into psi, the way I would do this is to take the 30 inches of mercury, convert it into millimeters of mercury, and then convert it into psi. So if I started with 30 inches of mercury, I simply want to know how tall those inches are in millimeters. So I want to go from inches to millimeters. I happen to know that there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch, and that would be 25.4 millimeters in 1 inch. So I would multiply that by 25.4 millimeters per inch, and again that would give me millimeters of mercury. And I would next convert those millimeters of mercury into psi, and I know that 760 millimeters of mercury is equal to 14.7 psi because they are all equal to 1 atmosphere. So I'll put 760 millimeters of mercury down here and 14.7 psi up here. Notice I'm not going from millimeters of mercury to atmospheres and then atmospheres to psi. So if I were putting that in my calculator, and the answer is 14.73, which really isn't a lot different. 30 inches of mercury is very close to 1 atmosphere, but this would be 14.73 psi. By the way, on the Weather Channel, this is a typical way that you might hear pressures given. So this is an example of using any of these pairs as being equal to each other.